In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Creative Assistant on Mailchimp. This tool is designed to help streamline your branding process and ensure consistency across all your marketing campaigns. Whether you're working on emails, social media posts, or ads, the Creative Assistant can be a game changer for keeping your visuals aligned with your brand identity. First, let's start by heading over to Mailchimp's website. You'll need to log into your account to gain access to all the great features that Mailchimp offers. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Content Studio, which you'll find in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your gateway to the creative tools you'll be using. Now, within the Content Studio, there's an option labeled Creative Assistant. Click on this and you'll be taken to a whole new world of design possibilities. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't already set up your brand assets, you'll want to do so before going any further. By uploading your logos, colors, and fonts, you ensure that Mailchimp's Creative Assistant can generate designs that truly reflect your brand. It's an effortless way to give your content a professional and cohesive look. With your brand assets uploaded, it's time to generate some designs. You can explore a variety of templates tailored for different needs, be it emails, social media posts, or ads. The Creative Assistant suggests multiple options. This guarantees that your brand message stays consistent no matter which platform you're using. Next, let's customize the design to fit your specific needs. Here, you can edit the text and images to convey your brand message effectively. Adjusting color schemes, fonts, and background images is straightforward and gives you the flexibility to make each design unique. Mailchimp even offers a built-in image library for you to browse, or you can upload your own images for that extra personal touch. Once you've got your design just the way you want it, saving and organizing your work is key. Save your new designs back to the Content Studio to easily access them in the future. This enables you to streamline your workflow by reusing winning designs or templates, saving you valuable time down the line. Finally, you can apply this design directly to an email campaign, a social media post, or even a digital ad. This seamless integration ensures that once your design is saved, it can be utilized across various platforms, maintaining your brand's consistency and professionalism. By following these steps, you'll be able to harness the full power of Mailchimp's Creative Assistant, ensuring that your brand's visuals are always sharp, cohesive, and ready to impress your audience. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you feel empowered to create stunning designs with Mailchimp's Creative Assistant.